Good morning. Next article, XS3 code. XS3 code is unweighted binary code. XS3 code is unweighted binary code. This code is important because this code is used for error checking purpose. XS3 code is used for error checking purpose, and therefore XS3 code is important. But it is unweighted binary code. We can do conversion of decimal to binary, binary to XS3, XS3 to binary. XS3 code is known as the binary code 3 more than 8421 BCD. XS3 code is 3 more than 8421 BCD code. That code is known as XS3 code. Many times it is also written as XS3. That is XS3 code. Table for conversion of binary to XS3. Let me write decimal here, binary here, XS3 here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is the table for decimal to binary, binary to XS3. Now conversion is very simple. What is this 0, 0, 1? It is 0 in XS3. What is 0, 1, 1, 0? It is XS3 of 1, XS3 of 2, XS3 of 3, and so on. If you look from 1 to 9 in XS3, you find that there is no term 0, 0, 0, 0. This is absent in XS3. As this is absent in XS3, XS3 is used as error checking code, and therefore XS3 code is important. It is unweighted code. It is unweighted binary code. We can do addition of XS3 numbers. What to do whenever you are given a number? Convert that number into XS3 again using a nibble, a group of 4 bits for every decimal digit. One thing. Second thing, do the addition nibble wise. Addition of LSB nibble, addition of second LSB nibble, addition of MSB nibble, and so on. If carry generated, you may forward the carry to higher nibble position. And you have to see whether the answer is in XS3. If the answer is not in XS3, you may need to add 3 or you may need to subtract 3. You may need to subtract 3 whenever the answer comes in XS6. And you may need to add 3 whenever carry generated from higher nibble to lower nibble. Let us keep this procedure in mind and do the addition of XS3 numbers. For example, 4 plus 5, 9. XS3 of 4 is 0, 1, 1, 1. XS3 of 5 is 1, 0, 0, 0. Do the addition. 1, 1, 1, 1. XS3 of 9 is 12. It is 15. So the answer should be in XS6. As the answer is in XS6, this answer is in XS6. Subtract minus 3. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1, 1. This is XS3 of 9. This answer is correct. Let us go for some other example. XS3 of 9 is 1, 1, 0, 0. XS3 of 9 is 1, 1, 0, 0. Do the addition 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. You may put 3 zeros here. Whether this is correct? No. This is not XS3 of 8. This is not XS3 of 1. Add 3 here. Add 3 here. Because the carry generated from lower nibble to higher nibble. So it is 1, 1, 0, 1. It is 0, 0, 1, 0. XS3 of 1 is 4, XS3 of 8 is 11. This is the correct answer in XS3. Let us go for a few more examples. XS3 of 2 is 0, 1, 0, 1. XS3 of 7 is 1, 0, 1, 0. XS3 of 7 is 1, 0, 1, 0. Of this is 0, 1, 0, 1. Add 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. XS3 of 9 is 1, 2. XS3 of 9 is 1, 2. This is not 1, 2. This is not 1, 2. So the answer is in XS6 form. Subtract 3 from here, 3 from here, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now this is the correct answer in XS3. This is the procedure for going for addition of XS3 numbers. It is so simple. Hope you got it. Thank you.